Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Fallingford Financial. Just an update here on HIGHTIDE. I've covered them numerous times here on the channel. One of my favorite MJ plays. And if you don't have this one, I'd consider taking a look at it. I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, stating my opinion. But this one does have a lot going for it. I've covered a lot of the other ones like Sundial, Hexo, and so on. But this one is actually green, and actually, well, I'm a little bit in the red on this one. It was in the green, but it's coming back up, but still one of my favorites. This is HIGHTIDE, ticker HITI. I've been covering this one since it was HITIF and HITID, and then it got listed here back in June. Was up to $8.74. Just kind of stair-stepped its way down and came back up a little bit here and there, but here it's just been coming down ever since. In the last 3 months, down over 17%. In the last month, down over 7%. In the last week, it was actually up 3.06%. And here's a look at on Friday, up 6.44%. If you don't know much about this one, it's a manufacturer and retail of MJ smoking accessories and lifestyle products. Operates through the following segments: hotel, retail, and corporate. Founded in 2009, 117,000 shares being traded, and average is 112, so not a whole lot of volume on this one. Market cap of a 286, almost 287 billion, or million. 52-week low of $3.11 and high of $13.29. Here's a look at their next earnings. Expected on February 17th in the pre-market. And here's a couple canceled orders: $4.34, $5.11, $5.55. Looks like back on December 9th, and it's down since then, so it doesn't hurt my feelings those didn't fill. So Bing here showing as a buy. MJ Dispensary Roundup, Gauge Growth, Columbia Care, Sweet Flower, True Leaf. I've covered True Leaf a couple times, and HIGHTIDE. Might have to look into these Gauge Growth, Columbia Care, Sweet Flower. So if you have any of these, go ahead and list that in the comments. MJ Retailer, Gauge Growth Corp. And there's the ticker. This one trades over the counter. Recently announced that it added a provisioning center dispensary to its portfolio in Ann Arbor. Based in Detroit, the company now has 18 provisioning centers in its portfolio, located at the following address as the first retail spot in Ann Arbor. Gage said that it would operate the newest location as a cookies brand store and expects to begin serving patients and adult use consumers in the first 3 months of the year. Ann Arbor paved the way for Michigan's first adult use retail experience, and we are proud to introduce cookies, highly coveted retail experiences to the residents and visitors of the vibrant community. Gage partnered with the international MJ lifestyle brand led by rapper Burner in 2019. Have not heard of that gentleman. I listen to rap from time to time. Have not heard of him. And since then has opened Cookies Dispensary in Detroit and Kalamazoo in August 2021. Gage extended its existing agreement as Cookies exclusive cultivator, manufacturer, and distributor in Michigan until 2026. Columbia Care launches 80th dispensary with a new MJ location in Virginia Beach. And here's the ticker for Columbia Care. And there's the 23rd nationwide. So if you've been to any of these, go ahead and list that in the comments as well. New shop at 535 Bird Neck Road is the company's fourth in Virginia. The New York-based company currently operates nearly 148,000 square feet of existing cultivation and production capacity. Sweet Flower opens store in Culver City. California-based a retail platform, Sweet Flower recently announced its kickoff. MJ sells in the flagship store in Culver City on Friday, January 21st. The new location spans 3,150 square feet. So a lot of these are growing. And here's my favorite. HIGHTIDE reported Thursday that a newest Canna Cabana retail MJ store in Ontario has started selling recreational MJ products for adult use. New shop located at 905 Rymel Road East in Hamilton is HIGHTIDE's 106th brand retail location nationwide. When I first started following HIGHTIDE, they were, I think, rated at 80 or 85 stores. I'd have to look back. Their goal, I think, was 115 by the year end of 2021. Didn't quite make it, but they're going to make it here pretty soon. I would say maybe in 2 months they should have 115 stores, because sometimes they open one about once a week. So every time I try to look up information on them, they've opened up a store. On Friday, True Leaf, which I've talked about them several times here on the channel, opened another True Leaf branded medical MJ dispensary in Pennsylvania, this time through its affiliate, Shamanix Ventures LLC. New store is at 1222 Arch Street in the center of Philadelphia. So if you have been to that one, go ahead and list that in the comments, or if you live there. True Leaf's 160th owned. And so a lot of these are growing. Definitely ones to watch. HIGHTIDE opens 107th MJ store in Canada with new Canna Cabana location in Regina. And this is dated on the 14th. So the retail-focused MJ company announced Friday that its Canna Cabana store in Regina, Saskatchewan has begun selling recreational MJ products. The store is located at 155 Albert Street North, which is a major north-south thoroughfare and commercial corridor in Regina, Saskatchewan, capital and second largest city. Opening represents HIGHTIDE's 107th branded retail location across Canada and 7th in Saskatchewan to sell the adult use MJ products and accessories. In addition, HIGHTIDE has revealed it's scheduled to release its financial and operation results in the quarter and fiscal end October 31st, 2021, after financial results closed on Thursday, the January 27th of this year. So put that date on your calendar. HIGHTIDE opens new Canna Cabana location in Regina. And just some more information on that here on Benzinga, dated on the 14th. So again, the store is located at 155 Albert Street in Regina. So like I've said, if you've been to this one, go ahead and list that in the comments. Or if you've been to a HIGHTIDE store, any of them, go ahead and list that in the comments. That'd be interesting to know, and what your thoughts are on it. So again, not much other information in there than what we already had went over. Over here on Reddit, if there's any up-to-date information here. Nothing that I really see there. And over here on StockTwits, Big Kahuna. HIGHTIDE at 479. 5 Big Kahuna stocks to buy. 52-week low of 414, high of 1329. Excited for tomorrow, excited for next week, excited for the next 10 years. And yes, since you asked, this is a cult of yacht owning. Oh man, that's awesome. Conventional wisdom. Can anyone spot me a sandwich down a $0.25? So there's some people holding this one. That's always good to see. But like I said, I've been watching this one for a while and really seem to like it. Over here on MSN Money, currently showing as a buy. Here on Tip Ranks, showing as a strong buy. This has always had great ratings. And 130% upside to $11.02, high of $14.34, low of $6.97. Even if it just got to $6.97, you'd be doing great with this one. So, but that's all that I have on HIGHTIDE. Like I said, if you have this one, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share. And if there's any other MJ stocks out there you want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to do that as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribe in and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.